quick video on how to do a system file check. Right click on your start button and then left click on Terminal Admin. On Windows 10 it's exactly the same, except you right click on the start button and left click on Windows PowerShell Admin. Whichever way, up pops this little box here. Ignore what's written in the top, and at the I-beam where it's C users, type in sfc.exe space / scannow, all one word, and then press the enter return key. And as you can see, it's giving you a percentage readout as it goes along. Now I'm going to speed this up because otherwise it gets boring. And there it goes, zooming through up to 100%. Now, getting towards the end now. Yay, that's good news. No integrity violations found. However, you might also get this box, which says resource protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So that's a good thing. It's repaired any corrupt files. This is just checking all the Windows files just to make sure they're in tip-top condition. And that will help your computer.